magic gift card. Now, I don't know about you guys, but at my house, for any Christmas, any time I give somebody a gift, 9 times out of 10, they want a gift card or cash. Well, tonight I have you covered for both. So if you're going to give for this holiday season, or for birthdays in the future, or for anything, any occasion in the future, graduation, if you're doing a gift card, I got you covered tonight. If you're doing cash, I got you covered. If you do a check, I got you covered. Are you ready? Let's do the gift card first. So the magic gift card, first of all, it will need a bigger envelope. Where did my bigger envelope go? It will need a bigger envelope for storage. So if you're in my card kit club, boom, you have the perfect envelope for storage on this one. This one is very long. And look at what we get with this one. Look at all the pieces. Let's do 3. Look at all the pieces we're getting. So Stephanie's going to see if she can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dies, but really 16, 17 shapes. 15 dies. Now, I know it looks complicated. Don't worry, it's not. Watch this. Here's my cute little gift card. We're calling it the magic gift card. It's a little envelope. You can use the confetti. The confetti die is optional. The confetti die is optional. Look how cute. You can double up the bows if you want to. Something for you. Those dies come in there. You get something for sending you. So you can say, sending you something for you, something for you, a lot of different options on there. Are you ready? Watch this. When you open it up, that gift card pops up. I'm not touching that gift card. Look at this. Ready? When you open it, that gift card pops up automatically. Is that awesome or what? Woo, woo, woo. Now, let me show you some more. And I'm going to show you how to make it because it's so stinking easy you're going to pass out. We also have a little die that says open, so they will know to open it for you. Here's to another year of adventures using our cute birthday cats. We're going to open it up. Ta-da! Love. Woo, what's that a gift card for? Fun. Isn't that awesome? Woo! Now, just a heads up, I prefer to use thinner cardstock than thicker cardstock. Just a heads up. Ready? Are we ready? Oh, here, something special. Something, look, triple bows on that one. I love that. Oh, and that heart is included also. You do get that heart. You get that cute little postage stamp and you get the little heart. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Gift card, gift card. It just pops up. It's magic because it pops up. Magic, pops up. Isn't that adorable? Upstairs Hobby Room says that is fantastic. This little letter Y came off. Let me fix it. These poor guys go to photography. They have to travel the world. Magic gift card holder with stencil on the back. Ready? Cute bow, doubled again. Open this up. Starbucks. I hope the team knows not to send any gift card money in here. Look at that. Isn't that fun? How it just literally pops open. When you guys see how easy it is, you're going to pass out. Ready? Here's another one. Something special. There's the cute little die set that comes with it. Look how cute that is. Debbie, I'm going to show you how the gift card stays in there. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Okay, so here we go. So cute. Something special for you. Open. We're going to open it up. Ta-da! That gift card is in there. Now, you can glue it. Some of the team might have glued it, but look. Watch that. Watch that. It goes back in. It's not glued. There's a trick. There's a trick. It's magic. I'm going to show you in just a second. Ready? Here's another one. Ooh, this one's all stenciled. Something special. This one's by Sheila. Ready? We're going to open it. Ta-da! For you. It's a gift card. Isn't that cute? Now, let's put this together. First of all, I die cut it already. The biggest die is always the important one, right? I die cut it. I'm not going to use the confetti. I just die cut it regular. That's all. Here I added a little bit of the score tape. This is the thinnest one I have on the website. I think it's 1/8. And I just added that little piece. So what I'm going to do, I folded it on all the score lines. Fold, 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 fold. Now, here's the trick. What you want is you want to make sure that you have this little lip right here, just this little fold. So here we have it. Here we have it. We're going to fold those flaps in. I'll adhere it in just a second. Fold that down. Fold that down. Kind of fold that way. And there we go. This folds up. Now, watch this. We're going to lay that down. So that just fold. So just think you kind of want it to look like an envelope, but look, watch this, you guys. Woo, 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 woo. Now, ready? Watch this. We are going to peel off this adhesive. Again, I prefer, you can use thicker cardstock. I prefer to use a little thinner of a cardstock to make everything move a little easier. And we're going to lay this down and we're going to press. Now, here's the trick, and I didn't really show it to you. I should have showed it to you. So remember this, here, I'll open it up again. Remember this flap right here? This is the magic part. It's going to be folded up like that. So when I put my gift card in there, that's the little thing that's going to have it fall up, poke up. Now, you would have already had yours popped in there, but there we go. Even if you mess up, look, I just put it in there. Watch. Here's my gift card. Ready? Sorry, now I got it. First time's always a little. There we go. Boom. Watch this. Ready? Cha-ching! Pull that gift card out, put that gift card back in, and put it right back in, just like that. That's how simple, you guys. Decorate it any way you wish. Now, you can also, and I know Dina's, if she's watching, hopefully she's not because she has the night off, she would have told me that I should have added adhesive under here. So let me show you that just to make you guys all feel better. You can add adhesive to this tab. So I'm adding adhesive right here on those two pieces that match up. So I'm adding adhesive there if you want to. If it makes you feel better, you can. We're going to do that again. Again, I'm going to just throw it in there and get it behind that. I had to open mine a little, so that's why it's messed up right there.
Do you think that would hold cash also, Stephanie?
It would, but I have something better for you for cash. But yes, it would. Ready? Ta-da! 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 It's not even glued in there. Now, if you wanted to, you could add a little tiny bit of glue there to keep that in there. But look, watch. Ta-da! Gone. Hey, I want a gift card. Ta-da! No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. There you go, you guys. Magic. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, I could do this all day. So there we go. Now, if we wanted to put money in there, absolutely. If we wanted to put, what else could we put in there? Let me look for something. Oh, here, we could put a die in. We could put a paper clip and a die in there. Watch. Goodbye. Hello. There they are. Because that little lip on the inside is poking up, right? It's folded up. It's folded up. So that is the magic gift card, you guys. I told you it was easy. Elizabeth says stunning, stunning. Reagan says, I knew it. I knew as soon as I saw these, I wanted them all. I know, you guys, so freakishly easy, right? When you saw those, you were like, oh, I can't do that. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And then the bows are so fun. They're two different bows. I didn't design them to go on top of each other, but they look really cute on top of each other. So the team did that. So that is our magic gift card. It is part of the bundle, and that is the magic gift card. The magic gift card, just a heads up, regular price is going to be $34.99. Black Friday price is 40% off at $20.99. Gold members, you're only paying $16 and change. Half price. Moving on. Dun, 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 dun. Let's move these off to the side. Any questions on the gift card? Ken, if you see any questions or if you want to start saying comments and stuff for me, I'd help it. Elgar says jewelry, money, photos, etc. A photo would be so cute. Put a little photo, like a school picture or something. If you have a new school picture to give to someone, how cute would that be?
Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.